Hi guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. And today I am going to change up my board and I'm going to put bunny dual for Easter or spring or both. So first of all, I'm just showing you how I get rid of the transfer that was on there before. I just take some water from my spray bottle. I do use distilled water in there. And then take my scraper, scrape it off, get it with a paper towel, and then I go back if there's any ghosting, which is just a faded print of what I had on there before. I take our board eraser and that takes it right off. And then I also use a wipe or a wet paper towel, either one. And then when it dries, I get to chalking. So this one is a real cute transfer, and I've used it several different ways so far. It's pretty awesome. 2 bunnies, and it is a 2-layered transfer. So when the first layer dries, which I'm putting on now, and you just apply it with a squeegee, and you smooth it out, and every place where there's a fine mesh netting, it goes through to your surface. You take off the excess and put it back in the jar. Always use the squeegee because you don't want to put any harm or tear or pull on the netting. It's pretty sturdy, but you still need to use the proper tools. And then you just pull the transfer off and it transfers the chalk onto your surface. Pretty cool, right? So now I'm going to let it completely dry. And before I put the second transfer. So while I'm waiting, I put, I think that's Happy Easter on there. I did a ombre with white and yellow. I think it was Golden Hour that I used, one of our new En Vogue paste colors. So you put, I put the white on top and the golden yellow on the bottom with the squeegee, and then I took my finger with kind of a circular motion and I just blended that in. So it kind of went from the white and gradually without a line to the yellow. That's cool, right? And it's easy, not hard. All right, now I'm doing the second layer, and before I put that on, actually off camera, I did put a little bit of wax. And we have our own wax, which has no scent to it. It's really pretty great, but you could use other wax, a natural color. And I also fuzz the transfer to take some of the stickiness off. And there we go. Aren't they cute? I love them. Okay, now I'm just taking off the registration marks, which help you line up the second layer. And there it is. See, I'm showing them with hearts. Ta-da! I love it. Oh, I added the flower and the leaves afterwards. Thanks for watching. You all have a happy spring and a happy Easter. Bye.